The first thing I like to do when I'm doing a deep cleaning my dishwasher is to remove the filter. So first I have to remove the rack, the bottom rack. Turn this counterclockwise. See how easy it just comes out. Grab the bottom, the basket, and the filter. Then what I'm going to do is let it soak in the sink. I'm going to fill up the sink with warm water and use vinegar and dish detergent. You can use whatever dish detergent you prefer. Let these soak in the sink. Now, while they are soaking, I'm going to start cleaning my dishwasher. You see these edges? So I'm just using my 9 elements. You can use power wash, whatever you prefer. Just take a microfiber cloth or whatever washcloth you prefer. Just wipe it. So here is another area to look out. When we close the door, when we're using the dishwasher, this gets shut underneath so it doesn't get clean. So what basically, again, spray and wipe. So I'm going to spray these edges and then wipe. This is an optional. If you want to clean the door, is up to you. Now I'm going to just rinse all these filters and put it back on the top rag. Yes, I see I missed a small piece of carrot, it looks like. But it's going to get clean when I'm doing a deep cleaning cycle. I'm using 1 cup of vinegar. I put it on the top rack. Close it. So start your dishwasher. Normal. And I'm using high temp steam wash. And I don't need heated dry, so. And then you just start it. While that's being done, I'm just cleaning the outside. I'm just using plain water. If you want, you can use your stainless steel cleaner, whatever you prefer to use. Just wipe it. Okay, my cycle is done. I put the filter back. Now I'll put I see this little rust. I don't know what it is. Put the bottom rack, and it's all done.